Learn how to add quick map nodes in ArcGIS Pro. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for another tutorial. Before you continue to watch, please take a moment to hit subscribe below if you haven't already done so. So today I'll just be showing you quickly an ArcGIS Pro tip. What we'll be doing today is that I'll be showing you how to add quick map nodes to your projects. So what we have to do here is just open our project, or ArcGIS Pro project that is, and go to Insert, and right here where you see bright map nodes, dark map nodes, etc., you just select one of those that you'd like. Bright is literally the color, dark, it just means the tone of the colors. So you just select one that you'd like, wait for it to add, and then here you see a list of all the features that you'll be able to edit pretty much. Now to add your map node, all you need to do is go to the Edit tab and Create, and you just select the node that you want to edit, whether it's a point, line, or a polygon feature. And if for instance you want to add this to an ArcGIS collector map, you can definitely do so. You can just share it once you're done and add it to your existing ArcGIS Online web map. And that's it. This was another ArcGIS Pro tip. Look out for the next one. And look out for my regular tutorials every Monday. As usual, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the tutorial with a friend or colleague or anyone you believe will benefit from this information. Also, leave a comment below to let me know how I'm doing or if there are any other tutorials that you'd like to see. Once again, thank you and see you next time.